A subscription to Autodesk Fusion 360 with FeatureCAM includes many benefits, giving you access to a range of Autodesk technology including FeatureCAM Ultimate, PartMaker, Fusion 360, Fusion Team, and HSM Works. FeatureCAM Ultimate is automated CAM software that reduces the CNC programming time for a variety of CNC machines, including CNC milling machines, turn-mill machines, Swiss lathes, and wire EDMs. PartMaker specializes in high-precision programming for Swiss-type lathes, allowing the machining of parts with efficient cycle times whilst achieving high-quality burr-free finishes. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based computer-aided design, engineering and manufacturing platform for collaborative product development that combines industrial design, mechanical engineering and machine tool programming into one software solution. Fusion Team provides a central workspace in the cloud for all Fusion 360 project design information, allowing data to be managed and shared, and with the ability to review, comment and markup, as well as view 2D and 3D designs within a browser on any device. And HSM Works, which is an integrated 2.5 to 5-axis CAM programming solution for SolidWorks. With all of this in one subscription, Autodesk Fusion 360 with FeatureCAM provides you with a complementary technology solution to meet your manufacturing needs.